the government, the Australian government, recently announced, I think it was like 180 billion, 190 billion dollars in Australian stimulus for businesses. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And most business owners, and I'm going to have to define all of this, most business owners that have had a business for 2 years are eligible for this, which is freaking awesome. Absolutely awesome. So it's either in the form of tax credits or in the form of actual monetary stimulus from $20,000 up to $100,000 depending on you and your business, okay? And if you've got a PTY Ltd business, then you are eligible. If you are, and this is the sucky part, a sole trader, then to the best of my knowledge, you are not eligible. So how does that friggin' work? So if you're a director of your own PTY Ltd company, then you can claim that you're an employee of that business, and so you can then get a stimulus or a tax credit towards that, like a tax-free payment towards that. And what you need to do, so here's your eligibility criteria. You've got to have done your 2019 company tax returns, so you've got to have those lodged, and it was beginning of March was the date for that. And you've got to have declared some business income, so sales and things like that, in 2019 tax year. And if you've done that, then you are automatically eligible for that tax payment. Okay, so if you've got those two things, you've been in business, company director, you've lodged your tax returns by the beginning of March, and you've actually made some sales and fees, then you are automatically eligible to get some money from the Australian government for your business. Okay. If you have not lodged your tax returns by the beginning of March, I can't remember the exact date, but it's the beginning of March, or your business has not hit sales of $20,000 in that 2019-2020 tax year, then you could still be eligible, but you've got to kind of contact the ATO. So you could still get up to $20,000, but you just have to contact the ATO, and they will tell you how much and if you actually are eligible. Okay. Now, if, however, here's the sucky part, you are a sole trader, you don't get anything, which is really, really shitty, given that most tradies in Australia operate as sole traders. And if you've not actually started selling yet, or your sales are under $20,000, then again, you are unfortunately not eligible for the stimulus. That's right, Kathy. Yeah. Sole traders. Okay, I would be very, very interested to see the. So Sean says he thinks sole traders are eligible if 30% drop in income. I believe. I would love to see that, because my understanding is that sole traders are not at all eligible for that. But I would love to see that. Oh, Kate Sun says, according to Arnold Shields, it's no to sole traders. That was my understanding too. Sole traders on Amazon, I'm talking about. Yes, this is Amazon, because we're all here for Amazon. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, just to be clear. I don't know if I was clear, but just to be clear, it's your Amazon business. Not if you're a tradie, actually like painting and shit like that, or a builder. This is for an Amazon business, okay? Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.